A teacher spends 1/3 of their time in lesson planning. So, here is a step-by-step guide to help teachers in effective lesson planning. Firstly, clearly state the objectives of your lesson. This will help you to focus your planning and ensure that your students know what they are expected to learn. Secondly, measure the duration of your lesson and ensure that you allocate sufficient time for each activity. Thirdly, it is important to understand your students' prior knowledge of the topic. This will help you to tailor your lesson to their needs and ensure that you are not introducing concepts that are too advanced or too basic. Fourthly, share useful resources such as textbooks, articles, videos, and websites with your students. Finally, use feedback or an end-of-the-class assessment to evaluate the effectiveness of your lesson. This will help you to identify areas for improvement and ensure that your future lessons are even more effective. Follow up educators for more tips for teachers.